Synchrony Bank Techron Advantage Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a frequent driver, the Synchrony Bank Techron Advantage card app promises to make fuel purchases and rewards easier, but does it live up to the hype? One of the biggest pros is rewards tracking. Most people get this wrong by thinking points accumulate automatically without oversight. The app gives you real-time updates on your rewards, shows how many points you earn per purchase, and allows you to redeem them seamlessly for gas, car maintenance, or statement credits. This transparency helps you maximize benefits without guessing. Another advantage is account management. You can view recent transactions, pay your bill, set up alerts for due dates, and monitor spending trends. This is particularly useful for budgeting fuel expenses or planning larger purchases. The app also integrates with mobile wallets, so contactless payments are simple and secure. However, there are cons. Some users find the interface a bit clunky, especially when trying to navigate detailed reward statements or access promotional offers. Occasionally, points may take a few days to post after purchases, which can be frustrating if you're trying to redeem quickly. Additionally, some features, like special financing options, are easier to manage on the web rather than the app. In conclusion, the Synchrony Bank Techron Advantage app is a solid companion for cardholders who want to track rewards, manage transactions, and simplify fuel spending. The surprising truth is that while it's highly convenient, users should be patient with minor delays and occasional interface quirks. For anyone looking to maximize gas rewards and keep on top of their spending, this app is a helpful tool, but don't expect it to replace the full web experience for more complex account management.